Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains. Today we're finally giving proper screen time to this beauty right here, the T679-2001, also known as the CSD BR130, an HO-scale diesel locomotive from Piko. You've probably spotted it many times in my short videos pulling freight cars from the CSD IV era, but today we'll dive deeper and really get to know it. This model came from the Piko 979351 HO starter set, and after a little digital conversion it now proudly runs on my layout, which it's still under construction. So the T679 series was a true icon of Eastern European railways. Built in East Germany, these BR130 type locomotives served in Czechoslovakia's state railways during Fourth era, mainly hauling heavy freight across challenging terrain. Under the hood, or rather under the steel, the real one packed a massive diesel engine capable of serious pulling over. It wasn't the quietest machine, but that was part of its charm. Just imagine standing near it, rumbling, rolling, and just alive. Now, talking about the model itself, because Piko did a fantastic job, I would say, capturing the personality of this locomotive in HO scale. So first the shape, long rectangular body with slightly curved roof edges in pure Soviet-inspired design. It's big, bold, and unmistakably Eastern European. No unnecessary frills, just pure diesel muscle. The coloring is spot on for the CSD IV era, a deep brick red body with light grey roof and supple black undercarriage. Looking at the windows, beautifully mounted. You can even peek through to see the basic interior cab details, seats, panels, and a bit of molded texture that adds realism without overcomplicating things. Moving down, we've got the 3 axles per bogie, giving this model really cool COCO wheel arrangement, just like the real BR130. The black metal wheels are perfectly proportioned, and you can see the brake shoes and suspension details molded into the bogies. The lights, a personal favorite, are dual white headlights at each end with the red tail light function if you're running digital. They're bright but not toy-like, and Piko did a good job keeping them realistic. Each side has finely detailed doors, access panels, complete with tiny handle impressions and hinge lines that catch the light just right. There are even small inscriptions like the logo, the numbering, and maintenance markings, all crisply printed and readable under magnification. And that roof, it's a thing of beauty. Vents, exhaust ports, and radiator grills are all molded with impressive depth. There's even a touch of texture variation, so under proper lighting it really looks like painted steel and aluminum. It's one of those models that looks great from afar, but the closer you get, the more you appreciate how much care went into it. Now, mine started its life as part of a Piko analog starter set, but I couldn't resist upgrading it, and it's now running perfectly on digital control. It pairs beautifully with my CSD IV era freight cars, giving that late 70s industrial feel that I love. When it pulls a full consist, it just feels right, powerful, steady, and very, very piston block. Alright, let's see the diesel beast do what it does best. You can listen to the motor, smooth, steady and confident. Even without sound, you can almost like feel the rumble. If you're into Central or Eastern European locomotives, or you just appreciate solid diesel design, this Piko is a model that deserves a spot on your layout. And yeah, that's it for today's presentation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you don't miss my next update. I've got more rolling stock and layout progress coming soon. So yeah, until next time, keep your lenses on trains. Bye everyone.